How to join a room in OTR 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily join a room in OTR 2. So the process is quite easy. Let's jump in. First of all, launch open OTR 2 game on your device. Once you open up the game, go to the left hand side menu and click on multiplayer, and then from the menu that appears on the screen, click on join specific. Now in order to join a specific room, you need their room ID. Go ahead and look for the room ID that has been provided to you by your friends. Just go ahead and type in your room ID and click on done. Right after you do that, you will be able to join in. So that is how you can easily join into a room in OTR 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.